Alright, today we're going to be talking about how you can create hyperlinks in Excel. So there are basically 5 types of hyperlinks that you can create within Excel. We're going to be covering 3, mostly because the other 2 aren't used as often. And if you know how to make these 3, you can make the other 2. So the examples we're going to use is we're going to create a hyperlink that navigates us to this worksheet or this tab within our workbook. A hyperlink that will bring us to a different Excel file, and a hyperlink that's going to bring us to a website, which is very common. So the first step in creating any hyperlink is to select the cell you want the hyperlink to be created on. So in this case, cell B3, we want that to be a hyperlink to this worksheet within our workbook. So we'll select that cell, go up to Insert, and then go over to Link and select these 2 little chain icons. And then this little box is going to pop up. And you'll notice there are these 4 different options here. This will probably be the default option for you. But in this case, what we want to do is place our hyperlink within this document. So we want it to be the cell reference of the example sheet. So if we select that sheet, then we hit OK, and then we select the hyperlink, it's going to navigate us to the first cell within that worksheet. Now, if we wanted to create a hyperlink to a different Excel file, we'll select the cell, go up to Link once again, and then we're going to want to select this existing file or web page option here. Then you can browse your computer for files that you already have created within Excel that you want this to link to. So in this case, we'll just link it to Workbook 9, hit OK, and then when we select that hyperlink and continue, it's going to bring us to this brand new workbook. Now the last hyperlink is to create a website. Now this is kind of the trickiest one because it's easy to mess this up. So select the cell, go to Link once again, make sure you're selecting existing file or web page, and then this address portion is where you're going to want to put the URL for the website. Now if you don't know what the URL is, I suggest that you select this and browse the web for the exact website address. Because if you, for example, want this to link to Google, if you put google.com, it's probably not going to work. You need to do the http www.google.com. What I found is the easiest thing to do is just make sure that you're on your website, go up to this top bar here, copy that, come back here and paste in this address section, then hit OK. So then when we click on that, that's going to take us directly to Google. And there you have it. That's how you can create hyperlinks in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you found any use of this video, smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much and have just a great rest of your day.